What?
That scared Stella. And
Oh.
she scratched me.
Oops. Okay, maybe I'll just open the door.
Okay. Hi.
Oh.
Still out. I intending to make cut.
Shoot. Okay.
Hold on.
Okay.
Hi guys. Welcome to our apartment tour. We had a really cute idea of having Stella in my arms when I opened the door, but she scratched me.
Where'd you get cut?
Wait, do we actually include this?
Probably not. I'll end it.
Hello, and welcome to our Colorado apartment.
Hi, Stella.
Yay! Okay, I'm gonna put her down now. Ugh. Alright, welcome in. So, as you come in, you're first greeted by this little like welcome area. We have some like shoes, shoe rack, rug, keys, spare piece of wood with some stickers on it. And then we have our little laundry room here off to the side. We got a washer, dryer, all the good things. Stella's stuff, some spare food that we haven't opened up yet, which, good, I didn't check if our address was showing or not, but it looks good. And then Stella's litter box. The apartment complex comes with a trash can recycling bin, so those are here. And then we have a mirror that we got on Facebook Marketplace. It actually was a closet door, so it's still on wheels. Oh my gosh, you're in the video.
I know, I am in the video. You are too.
Yeah. So anyways, love that mirror. It's
Oh,
huge.
before you continue, did you want to explain why we're doing the apartment tour right now?
Oh, good point, Cody.
Yeah.
You really keep me on track with things. We decided to do this apartment tour now because I'm moving in like 3 days. And so this is like the last time this apartment will be the same.
There's gonna be a lot of boxes soon.
Yeah, lots of boxes and just less of my things. I'm moving, Cody's not, but that's another video. So then as you walk through here, we have our kitchen and honestly like our entire apartment. But we have a nice, decent sized island here. We have some cool fridge details, magnets.
More than we ever had in Jacksonville, that's for sure.
Lots of things here. We have our newest obsession, our espresso machine that Cody got for free through his work, which is amazing and we love it. And just some cool little, whatever, kitchen, normal kitchen things. And then that painting you might recognize from Jacksonville. Then you come this way, you have our living room. If you watched our last tour, we talked about not being sure if our couch would fit in our next place. Here is our next place, and no, it indeed does not fit in it. So we have just an extra part of the couch over here. But I actually really like how it kind of brings the room together if we have multiple people over. It really like ties everything together and we kind of are sitting around each other and not just around the TV. Then you have this wall over here. On this wall, we just have this mirror that I've had forever. We have Cody's dad's old surfboard, a cinnamon broomstick that's well over a year old and does not have any smell left in it, but it's just stayed there.
It's not moving.
No.
I'm keeping it while you leave too.
Yeah, good. And then I'll start on this side. So we have the graphic that Cody's uncle gave to us of Madonna Mountain, our favorite hike in San Luis Obispo, where we went to college. And then we have a painting that Cody's sister did. This is just like a copy of it, and it's just beautiful. Some colorful painting that I did here. And then we have 2 license plates, one from California, one from Florida. And then we have this graphic here of Crested Butte that I actually got with my dad before we knew that Crested Butte was such a cool place. And now it's one of our favorite places in Colorado. All right. This way we just have like, were you gonna say something?
No, that's okay.
This way we just have like Stella's toys and things and this mirror that I've had for a really long time that I love. And then we come out onto our balcony.
It might be loud, so I don't know if I'll be able to hear
Oh
it
yeah.
out here.
This is the busiest road where we live.
Yeah.
I'm gonna close the door just so no flies get in. But here we have a spectacular view of the Colorado Rockies. It snowed just like about a week ago, so that's what you're seeing here. And then we have just like, honestly, such a great view. And
Yeah.
sometimes
Ow. I just kicked this chair.
sometimes there's hot air balloons out at different times of the year that we'll see over there.
Oh yeah, there's one out this morning.
That's wild because it's so cold.
It was 20 degrees and there's a hot air balloon
That's
out.
crazy.
Yeah.
But yeah, just really, really such a great view, and I'll miss it a lot. Right now it's winter, so like all the leaves are gone, but oh my gosh, it's just like really pretty. So you come back in.
Don't know why I did that. It's okay.
You come back in, you see our little stinker again.
Oh.
And then that brings us to over here. We just have like yoga mats and things, a painting that I did recently, a little cabinet thing that we got on Facebook Marketplace in San Luis Obispo, and it just stores like our sheets and things, a sewing machine that I've never used that I really need to learn how to use, Cody's awesome
You can't even see it on the
thing.
camera, it's fine.
And then some snowboarding stuff. Cody really loves snowboarding, and then a painting that one of my roommates in college did. And then we'll just do the bathroom first because it's like not as fun.
Cool. Yeah.
It's just a bathroom. We have one sink. We just have one bathroom here. It's a one bedroom, one bath apartment. Yeah, nothing too crazy. Colorful shower curtain, some seashells. And why am I out of breath?
You need to breathe more.
I know. All right, and that brings us to our room over here. Since it is a one-bedroom apartment, it also doubles as our office, at least for Cody. So yeah, this is kind of the whole thing. We got this painting here that I did in college, this mirror, again from Facebook Marketplace, like everything else. Same setup really as all of our previous apartments, except
we have a bed
Jacksonville.
frame.
Yeah, Jacksonville, we didn't have our bed frame, and now we have it. And this is one that my dad and I actually made together. We have the same cool little lights over here.
Ooh.
And then we have the same bed stands and everything. Same art from our hometown. And then this bench is actually a bench that I made, and with the spare wood that's in the front with the stickers on it. And then I also made this with the spare wood, and it's just like a little art piece that resembles Cody and I and our relationship. And I really love it.
It's a really cool painting.
Peek at Stella over there.
There she is.
Yep. And then we just have the desk area. So these are my things here, just like papers and stuff. This is probably one of my favorite cards that I've never used, and I'll
It is a cool
always just
card.
keep. I just really like it.
Also, ignore that our calendar still says July.
Yeah, it's currently December.
Yeah.
It's currently December 1st, and our calendar is still on July. And then this desk over here, just like a nice little setup for Cody for when he works from home. We have Stella's cat tree and everything, and my craziness over here. But yeah, that's really the entire apartment. Oh, I guess we have more shoes. Surprise, surprise. And Cody's snowboard. And then our closet is an absolute disaster, so I'm not showing that. But yeah, that's our apartment tour. I'll kind of do an overview of each room at night if I haven't already.
Cool.
But with all the nice lights on.
Thanks for watching.
But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in California. Hi guys, it's a lot later at night now. And I just thought I'd do a quick little run through of our apartment at night so you can see it with all the cute little lights on. It doesn't really change too much, so it'll be really fast, but here is our apartment nighttime edition. We got in and out.
Yum.
Alright, so basically at night, we just have a few extra lights that light up. We have this one behind the TV, And then we also have these lights here that are just always hung up, the colorful lights. Honestly, I don't really know what occasion made us hang them up, but they always just stayed after, and they're really cute and bring good vibes. And then our room with the lights on just looks like this. And yeah, that's basically everything. So that's just a quick little addition. And here's Stella. Hi, Stella. Oh, he's so cute. All right, that's the entire apartment tour. Say bye.
Have a good night.
Goodbye.